Hey guys, Steven here back with another video, and today I'll be releasing 5 free Lightroom presets. They'll be in the description. I'm also making my paid presets 50% off for this week. You don't have to use any discount code. It'll also be in the description. The reason I'm doing this is because there's 2 seasons coming up that a lot of people like to take pictures during, and that's spring and summer, and I think those are kind of like the 2 best seasons in my opinion. It's really cold here in Canada, so I like the spring and summer. So I released 5 of them, and I'll be going through like before and afters. I know a lot of people can't afford presets, and the last free preset pack I released, it was well received and a lot of people liked it. So yeah, I thought I'd just give back. Also, I want to shout out to Terrell for making this pendant right here with the Steven Van logo. I'm not sure if you can see it, but it has my logo. I met him on my first video shoot ever. It was a free one, and I did behind the scenes, took a bunch of photos, and yeah, he just decided to make me a gift, and this is it. So it's really sick. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video and you guys enjoy the presets. With that being said, let's get straight into the video.